Hiya, Ron. This is just a tag on to the videos I've already made. Well, it's all to do with this battery video. So I've found a battery that I've had that I used as an emergency backup battery, car battery it is, 600 and odd amp rated, whatever. So that's the battery I'm going to use to show some of you people who may never have seen it how we used to test batteries in the old days with turkey day stuff. Anyway, Aprilia saga carries on. This thing, yeah, I think it's time just to put it away for a bit. One of my things that when I had it fired up running, it's running great and all that lot, and then it started coughing and spluttering and packed up. Tried again and it wouldn't fire up. Tried again, it wouldn't fire up. Yeah, so I thought, right, leave it for now. Had a bit of a tidy up, but it's got slightly messy again, but not as messy as it was before. I've been sorting the toolbox out. Still got the top of the toolbox to sort out. Yeah, so we're getting ready for the big change round. Yeah, so we're going to swap these bikes over. We're going to put the bandit on the service rail. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but I had the garage door open and then the sky just completely went almost black, and I looked round and it's starting to rain. I thought, oh, it's only a bit of rain, and then the heavens just opened up. Yeah, so ended up fucking wet in the front of me, my garage door. But anyway, see, it seems to have eased off a bit now. I can hear water dripping everywhere, but fortunately it's not in the garage. Anyway, what am I doing now? What was I going to do now? Oh yeah, so yeah, these two girls are going to get changed over because this bandit is MOT is due at the end of the month, and she's not in bad nick. She's all right. I've already been up and down the road on her, but I want to clean out the brake calipers and stuff like that because I usually clean them out once a year. Just make sure everything is working fine. Was thinking of doing brake fluid flush on this because when I check my records, it's been almost nearly 3 years. I know the clutch hydraulics weren't doing because that's gone a bit dark. So anyway, there is other stuff I want to do to this bike, but first port of call is just give it a once over, make sure it's ready for the MOT, which it should be. I just need to go through the service log again that I've got and just make sure there's anything else going, because hopefully, fingers crossed, because I've started my treatment again, but I feel a lot better. Hopefully me and my mate are gonna tool down to Dover and jump on the ferry, and we're gonna spend about 14 days just chilling out, riding around, stopping and riding, and that's about it. We're not going to set any plans or anything. We might say, oh, we'll aim for this this place, and then if we don't make it, we don't make it. There's no rush. We're both not in a rush, so we're going to spend about 14 days in abroad, probably maybe just in France basically, so not too far away. But see what the mood takes us, see what the weather's like. The weather's crap on where we are. We could go further south and sort that out. Anyway, so, oh yeah, sidetracking again. The Aprilia. Right, so it started coughing and spluttering. And I'm thinking, what the is going on here now? proper doing my head in. Anyway, wouldn't fire up, wouldn't idle, wouldn't run. And I'm going, oh. And I thought, oh, hang on a minute, how's the fuel? Oh, no, plenty of fuel in there, plenty of fuel in the filter, so there's fuel getting in there. So but it'd crank over and it'd fire up. If I opened the throttle up, it'd run. As soon as it was just coughing the splutter. Fuck. So I thought, right, just whip the spark plug out. Black as the ace of spades. And I'm going, you're kidding me. That's running rich. No wonder the fucking thing's coughed and spluttered out. Anyway. And I thought, well, it was fine before. So I got me the old Gunson colour tune plug out, shoved that in. Because the bike was warm by then. Stuck that in and, yeah, idle in the nice bright orange. And I'm going, what the fuck's going on here? So I just messed about with the mixture thing. Not making a difference. And I'm going, oh, no, not again. There's only two things on this bike that possibly could cause that. So if you're getting no effect on your mixture screw, or be it air or fuel, this turning it so it leans out, it wasn't making any difference at all. So I'm thinking, oh, fuck's sake. Anyway, two things it can be. One is that the choke valve is not shutting off properly, so we're getting a bit of extra fuel going through there. Or the float level is too high, is flooding. The float chamber's flooding, so it's getting excessive fuel's being pumped into the carburettor. Anyway, pissed and farted about with it. Give the carburettor a tap with me back end of the screwdriver. Fired it up, idle. Nice blue sparks. And I'm going, right, okay, it's a nice blue flame. Now, and I was thinking, hang on a minute, I touched the choke as well. So now, I don't know if it was the fucking float level or the choke. So anyway, made a note of that. That's something to come back to visit. It's a bit annoying because it's really close to buttoning this up. Yeah, because I thought I was going to get it out on the road, but weather's been cold and shite. Anyway, so that's going to be put on the back burner for a bit. So I've got my bandit to sort out, and got this little battery vid to finish off. Yeah, so you know, what else have I got? Oh, I've got to clean the top of my toolbox, clean a bit of the floor about. But I can get the bandit on there now, and I might, I might just pull the wrap table over a little bit, because this probably doesn't take as much room as that thing does. So I might be able to move it over half a foot, and then half a foot, and then a bit more room to work on it. Beauty about that thing is I can stick it on this table, stick it on the main stand, and do what most of the stuff I need to do. So yeah, get that ready for the MOT. Book the MOT. In fact, I might book the MOT next week. Well, phone them up to book it. It's not due till the end of next month, so but might as well take advantage of the 13-month MOT. Yeah, so anyway, so yes, definitely that back burner, and then when I've done this, I know this bike's ready for hauls if I go, and then I can look at the RE and do the mods to that. There is stuff that I need to do this, but whether I'm going to have time, well, I should have a bit of time to do some of the mods that I want to do to this bike. But if I've got it on this ramp here, do the MOT stuff, make sure it's ready, get it MOT'd, then bring it back, get it on the fucking ramp, and then do what I need to do to it, and maybe do the little mods. Yeah, so plenty of plans, but you know, sometimes life just gets in the way of bits and pieces. Got a bit going on at the moment, so yeah, I just need to fit it in between times, and then when I am got a slight second or so, or half an hour or an hour, it's bloody freezing this weather. Just can't make its mind up. Snowing, sleeting, hail, rain, sun, wind, gales, nice warm day, freezing cold day, sun's out, freezing cold, peeing down hail, but it's quite warm. I just don't understand it. And then there's my mates who, well, one of my mates, well, two, at the moment, who live in Gran Canaria, and every now and then they surprise me with a little phone call, video call, showing me at the cafe they've just parked up in off the motorbikes and how glorious sunshine it is. And yes, and it was bloody cold because it dropped down to like 19 degrees and it was freezing. Yeah, right, okay guys, thanks for that. I say this trip with my other friend, if we can make Europe, that's going to be a big tester for me, seeing if I can handle the strain, as they say. And then I was maybe thinking of going out to Gran Canaria later on in the year. However, the only problem with that is I don't know what the hell's happening with these airports and this EES thing. So, well, I'll worry about that when it comes to it. But I'm going to need to know a bit about it before, if I go away in June, because we're going on the ferry. So we're not going through one of these airport scan things. But I believe you've got to do something online. You've got to do it all online and then send it off, and then you're supposed to be, and then I think they send you some paperwork. And then when you go to the ferry port, you go through French customs, you just give them the letter and it's all hunky-dory. So, unless it all gets changed next week. Anyway, leave you to it. Stay safe and be careful out there.